This is the Geekee G350, a pair of true wireless Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds. And today let's all check out these next-gen earbuds and see what's improved. So we can see the box design of the Geekee is pretty simple. You'll receive this black hard cardboard box. Basically just the Geekee logo on the top, and very few specs on the back as you can see. We have the Bluetooth version 5.0, about 10 meters of range, and the battery capacity information in the headset and then the charging case. As we open the box, we have the user's manual in English and Japanese. The earbuds are running in the center of the cutout, and we also have an accessory box. As we remove the foam cutout, we can also see a warranty card at the bottom. Just in case if you have any questions or concerns regarding the earbuds, you can just contact them via email. Inside of the accessory box, there's a couple goodies inside. Here's a micro USB charging cable, one pair of extra ear wings, another pair of ear tips, and two more pairs of ear tips in the stubby style. The packaging is also very interesting. It really reminds me of the original Beats Pill packaging. Just a little tip, the default ear tips coming in these earbuds are a little bit too small for my ear canals. I recommend putting these on. And the ones in this plastic bag feel much bigger and they provide a better seal in your ear canal. So here's a charging base with the earbuds in it. As we remove these earbuds, the unit doesn't power on automatically just yet. You have to remember to remove this plastic film on the back. Otherwise, there's no contact point to the charging base and therefore there's no power. And make sure to do that on the other side of the earbuds as well. And now as we put inside of the case, we can see the indicator and the units are getting charged. The design of these earbuds are pretty typical. You do wear them upside down in your ears, and they barely weigh anything. It is super convenient so you can take them anywhere you go. As we can see, the body of the earbuds only has one button. These multifunction buttons do come in very handy, and I'll explain them more in the in-depth review part. Right under the multifunction button, we can also see a microphone hole. On the back of the unit, we can see two charging points, and that's about it. Now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Geekee G350, and I'll start with pros. The G350 uses Bluetooth 5.0 technology. This is my first pair of Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds. And I have to say I'm pretty amazed by this upgrade. There is no lag when you're watching a video.
You put rocks in a thing and you turn it over and then you put different gradations.
Pairing feels also very fast. You take them out of the case and they instantly connect to your phone. The progress is extremely simple and intuitive. Just like the Apple AirPods, you don't have to manually turn on or off anything. There used to be one common complaint with the TWS-style earbuds. During a phone call, only one earbud produced sound. The Geekee G350 supports both earbuds during voice calls. Definitely a great improvement in my opinion. The built-in ear hooks are surprisingly really useful. The hooks are not at all oversized, but they provide stability when you're wearing them. Just make sure you put the hook behind your ear flap. It helps create a perfect seal, so you'll get the best bass response. If you feel like using only one earbud as a model earpiece, you can easily do that with the G350. Simply pull out whatever earbud you want from the case. It'll automatically enter pairing mode. Hit connect and you're good to go. I really like how the multifunction button on this unit works. You can single tap to play and pause the song, long press for song skipping, and double tap for voice command like Siri or Google Assistant. So with these earbuds, you don't have to pull out your phone for music controls or asking directions. And last but not least, the sound signature is very balanced. The bass and the treble is very present, very nice tuning for pop music listening experience. And here's also one con. The maximum volume on the G350 is not as loud as some wire or neckband style Bluetooth earbuds. If I listen to those earbuds at 50% volume, I have to use these at 70%. Still, not really a problem even if you're at a train station or on a bus. Overall, these Geekee G350s are for sure the next-gen TWS product. They perform just as advertised, and they're only getting better and better. If you want more information, feel free to click the link down in the description. It's definitely worth getting a pair if you want the true wireless listening experience. Speaking of getting these earbuds, I do actually have two extra pairs to give to you guys. Just like last time, you can find the giveaway link down in the description, and two winners will be picked by computer randomly. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.